Hey y'all, we in Target grabbing a couple items. Let me show you what we're getting. Hey y'all, hey, it's Amia Renee. Welcome to the vlog. We are leaving Target. I was trying to do a little recording in there, but I didn't feel like it. I'm tired. It's Friday, the start of the weekend. We usually do our Target run. Today we got a couple items in the back. I'll show y'all what we get in the house. It's real tired and my hair is still straight. It's been straight since we went out to eat for my man's birthday. I think it's 3 weeks now, going on 3 weeks, and I would keep it straight another week because I've been wearing it in a bun to work, but Thanksgiving is next week, next Thursday, and I don't want to have to do my hair the week of Thanksgiving because I really have a lot to do that week. Work and cooking, grocery shopping, everything like that. I'm crazy. And TMI, my homegirl Aunt Flo was here, and my face was breaking out real bad this month. It is so freaking cold. Where I live, this week was the coldest week so far. Because I was a little worried because basically all October it wasn't even cold. In November it wasn't that cold. Now here it is, going into the 3rd week of November. Now it's starting to get cold. I'm like, dang, I love warm weather, but this is unusual. Like, global warming is real, y'all. For the people who don't think it is, it really is. It's crazy. Places who never see snow, now they're getting snowstorms, and places that usually have snow, they're having a drought. It's scary out here. What else is going on? I don't have nothing new. I feel like I was going to talk to y'all about something, but I don't have nothing to say. Nothing been going on with me. My hard-headed butt, I've been eating soft foods for the last week and a half, and we had tacos the other day, soft shell tacos, but I had tortilla chips and some salsa on the side, and I was so excited to eat that. That was going to be the first like real meal I had since having these braces because I was scared and my teeth still was sensitive. Oh my gosh, I bit into that chip. My second bracket came straight off. I was like, no chips for me. Yeah, so I had to make an emergency appointment and go and got it replaced. Hey y'all, hey, it's Amia Renee. Welcome to my channel. I'm getting ready to start driving. I'm trying to see where I can prop you up. So come on, car. Today is Tuesday. This is Thanksgiving week. Thanksgiving is Thursday. Get ready to go pick up my sister and my niece so we could go grocery shopping for Thanksgiving. I washed my hair finally. It was straight. I wore it straight for 3 or 4 weeks. Washed my hair Sunday and did a wash and go. This is my first wash and go in months, probably 6 months or so, and I like it. I don't know if I like this angle. It's got me looking crazy. I be having so much to say, but once I put the camera up, I forget everything. Oh, it's a bunch of deers. Look at all them deers. I don't know if y'all can see them. Y'all see them? Y'all see all the deers? In fact, it was one on my parking pad yesterday. It was a deer. I had called my man. Tell him come fight the deer for me. Hey y'all, happy Thanksgiving Eve. Today is Wednesday, day before Thanksgiving. I'm just getting off work. That's why I got y'all on this crazy angle. We went to a market yesterday, do some shopping. Like, these cars, they don't never want to stop for no pedestrian. I thought I was gonna record, but I should have known better because we had a lot of stuff to get. It wasn't too crazy. That's why I like going to the grocery store at night or in the evening, because that early morning or early day rush is just too much for me. In the evening, it's not a lot of people. But well, I say all that to say that when I got up to go to work this morning, I was like, where's my camera? It's not in my purse that I had last night. And I remembered I had it in my car. Let me take it out and see if I wanted to vlog a day with me at work, but I didn't because work is kind of My work is kind of boring and it's confidential, so I really can't show what I do. So it's a little bit boring, but we about to go in the house and clean. Okay, y'all, so I just got in the car. So it's not as cold as it was this whole week. Today is not that cold. So I'm cleaning it up because we're having Thanksgiving at my house. I'm trying to make sure my stuff not showing. Also, my mother and my older sister Kia, can you see my face? They're gonna cook their designated meals at their house, and we're all going to meet at my house tomorrow for dinner. So I gotta clean up again. We clean up weekly, but of course, I don't know how y'all do. Maybe y'all tell me. We usually clean up on the weekend, but if I have guests, I have to clean up the day before my little party or whatever, and then the day after. So it's like double cleaning. Oh, it's quiet. Hopefully there's not too much traffic. So I gotta clean up and make my meal. So what I'm making is some corn pudding. My niece and my man, they don't eat that. Everybody else eat it. So I'm making cornbread muffins for them. Sweet potatoes, blueberry cobbler. I wanted to make peach cobbler, but I couldn't find frozen peaches at the market yesterday, and I'm not going back to the market today. Sauerkraut, which that's easy. All you gotta do is put the whatever meat you use. I don't eat beef or pork or anything, so I'm gonna put smoked turkey neck. I pay attention. They be ruthless down here. Like these people, when I work at, they do not let you over there, fuss and cuss at you. I think it's what me being, I'm getting a little mature, getting older, and also probably the internet. It's like scared me half to death. I used to have horrible road rage. Horrible. Like I remember the first time he was my boyfriend yet. I guess we was dating. Me and my man were dating, and I'll never forget, we went to go pick up some food, and we were in the parking lot. I got the food, the car in front of me. I think he was beeping the horn at me because I don't know, whatever the situation was. I put my middle finger out the car. I put my middle finger up at him, and then I was beeping the horn at him, and then he was putting his middle finger up at me. It was a white guy. So I'm riding, trying to get beside him so I can get the last middle finger like crazy. And then after that was over, I turned around and looked at my boyfriend, my friend at the time, and he was just looking at me like, "Are you crazy?" And I was saying like, "Oh, my bad. I didn't mean to show out in front of him. I'm supposed to be acting like real. You know how you do when you date somebody." But I thought it was nothing. I thought it was just normal. That's not freaking normal. So I say all that to say, nowadays people are freaking crazy. So crazy that I'm not fighting with people. I'm not doing none of that. I've seen headlines and news pieces showing that a guy, I don't know if he shot the women, or he opened the door for some women, they didn't say thank you, so you put out a gun. People getting shot every day at road rage incidents and situations. Crazy. People are freaking crazy. I seen the other day, I'm not sure what city and state it was, but I watched the news everywhere, even on YouTube. And when I got out of town, I watched the news. But anyway, it was like a 10-year-old boy. He was in Walmart with his family, and a man just came in and grabbed a knife from Walmart display and started stabbing people. Stabbed the little boy twice in his neck. Like crazy. Like people are crazy. So now I let people do whatever. I'm not arguing with you. I'm not gonna fuss with you. I will still beat my horn, cause my man, I tell him I calm down. I don't do any of that anymore. But if I beat my horn, he'll be like, "Oh, you beeping the horn?" I have, like right now, this car is over in my lane. Get over. You got a horn. Like, you use it. You have a horn on the car to use, but I'm not gonna be aggressive with it. I'm not gonna hold the horn for blocks. Like I have done that. My sister has done that where we done follow the car, beep the horn all the way to 2 blocks, like crazy stuff. Like, I'm not doing that. I don't know what the person in the car next to me may have. They may just be a whole psychopath and shoot me just for them cut me off. It's not that serious. But we're gonna stop talking about all these crazy people in the world and be happy and thankful that we made it to another Thanksgiving 2022. Everybody say, where I'm from, outsiders say the way we say 2 is funny. which I don't hear it. Just gotta stay thankful and positive and happy that you're healthy, you're still alive, you have any family or friends. Don't focus on the negative, and don't let strangers get the best of you. Somebody got some road rage issues, let them go. F them. You don't even know who they are. You probably never see that person again in life. It's not worth losing your life to argue with a complete stranger. Alright, y'all, let's go start this Thanksgiving meal. Hopefully this wasn't shaking too much. I don't know how the girls or how people have the camera, the tripod set up inside the car, and the camera don't shake. Like, this is my second or third car tripod, and all of them shake. Like, I have to actually hold it with my hand, hold the camera with my hand for it to not shake. Who is this? Oh, that's my man. Alright, y'all. Hello.
Normally I'm quick to switch up my playlist. I might unpack my bag and don't say shit. I got what it takes to say this. I got all the plays and I played it out like this. I wanted to say this. Honest to make it, I'll trade it all for what it just so much. Can it make work? This time I don't want nobody else. And I used to be on my replacement shit. I'm switch out so damn quick. If you ain't getting fit, shit. But it just ain't like that. I even tried that shit with you, boy. At a West End, gotta try something new, boy. I don't know. I don't know what I'll do.
Giving y'all, so we're about to eat. Everybody's hungry, so let me show y'all what we have.
Exactly, right. I wasn't the only one.
Samuel, fried chicken. This is the fried turkey. It's already carved. Turkey that roasted. Mom made the fried turkey. My sister made the roasted turkey. Homemade stuffing.
Right, exactly.
Sweet potato, sauerkraut, cornbread muffins, mashed potatoes, gravy, greens, and some mac and cheese. We got our punch, homemade dinner rolls. And over here the desserts, I made some blueberry cobbler. This is an apple pie. It's a homemade pound cake. My mother made some sweet potato pie.
And that's what hard trying to stop them.
Some sweet potato pie. And my aunt brought over some Thanksgiving cupcakes.
Boy got the full body do-rag on.